Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming carrier and device compatibility. This matters because carriers enable the feature on their back end. Once you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, sign into your phone and check for any pending updates. Install them now. Next, set your emergency address for 911 accuracy. Carriers require this. Make sure location services are active so the phone can provide accurate caller location. Now, go to the network settings to begin activating Wi-Fi calling. You now open your device settings and navigate to the precise Wi-Fi calling control. On iPhone, it's under Phone, and on most Android phones, it's under Connections or the Phone app. Toggle Wi-Fi calling on, and when prompted, confirm or enter your emergency address. This helps first responders. If you don't see the option, restart the phone, sign into the carrier app, and verify that your line is provisioned for the feature. Once provisioned, the Wi-Fi calling indicator should appear near signal icons. You finish by placing a test call to verify Wi-Fi calling is active. Listen for clear audio and watch for the Wi-Fi calling indicator. If audio drops or calls route over cellular, toggle airplane mode, then re-enable Wi-Fi or reboot your router and phone. Make sure your routers too. 4 GHz or 5 GHz band isn't blocking voice packets. Try the other band if available. If problems continue, contact your carrier to confirm provisioning and to resolve emergency address or a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.